Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I am going to be showing you guys how I put on my first wig. This is literally the name of the company. It's called MyFirstWig. Guys, this wig company is everything if this is your first time wearing wig. As you guys already know, I'm actually a wig girl, but now that I've done my big chop, definitely wearing those wigs because I can't, and sometimes my hair is a bit much and I need something to wear in the meantime. How cute is this? My wig comes in a zipper bag. This is perfect for storage, and inside comes a little care bag. There is a headband, instructions on how to care for your wig, some pins, some clips, and a tail comb. Literally everything that you're gonna need for a wig comes inside of this bag. This company is more than a wig company, and that's why I really like them. I like them because they nurture you step by step on everything you're gonna need to install your wig basically. And then there's a little afro comb. How cute. They may have put this in here because they know that I've just done my big chop, so this is gonna help me. If they did, I love you guys. If not, I still love you guys anyway. And then there's a wig cap to wear beneath your wig. I'm going to be wearing a curly wig that's 20 inch. How gorgeous does this hair look, guys? This is virgin human hair, by the way. And this lace is perfect because it's a light brown. Can you guys see how my hands look under? This is quality, guys. Well, for me anyway, for my complexion, light lace is the way to go. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to do is cut off the excess lace. So guys, this is the end. I love it so much, honestly. Like, this right here is my hair goals. This is how long I want my hair to get. The hair is so soft and it really reminds me of my natural hair, even though my hair's never been this long. Like I said, this is goals for me. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please do give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below any videos that you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.